Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code Surfer, and I hope you guys are doing really well. So in today's video we are going to have a look about how we can print the array with using the loop. So if you haven't seen the previous video, please check out the videos to get some basic knowledge of the loops, and do subscribe to the channel to get some more informative videos like this. So without wasting our time, let's quickly get started with it. So in last video we printed uh some I mean we look at the grades, how we can print the grades and put the values in one variable. So in today's video we are going to print all those values with using the array of loop. Sorry, pardon my language, it's been a long day. So without wasting your time, let's quickly do it. So it's int grades because we are putting down the numbers inside it, and we'll go with the hard way today. So without we will not assign the value directly inside the square brackets for the size. Instead of that, we will do like this: size equals to 5 for now, and then here we will do size. Now to grade 0, what we are going to do is grade 0 would be 10, and we copy this thing here because I'm a very lazy person, and simply just do it like this. We'll make some changes down there, and it will not differ your on it. There is nothing like that. You have every value should be different. You can make them same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we are done with this thing. Now let's print them using those for loop. You can use the while loop, but it would be a bit difficult. So we'll choose the simplest way first, because coding is, you can do it the things in many ways. So in this one, we'll declare I equals to 0 as a semicolon. And how long we have to print it? Because you know the size always ends with n minus 0, so I will be always less than size here, and I will always increment for us. So let's print down here, what is it, printf, and here we'll do percentage d with some space down here, and grades, and down here would be I, because we are here referring to the I, so we just simply put the I, not the size down here. So let's see what we're getting the output down here. So it's 10 to 30. So yeah, we're getting our desired output. So this is how you can print the arrays using the loop. So this was all for this video, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.